I used to pay myself, I'm not even sure if it makes sense to say the number. I used to pay myself 20 grand a month, and then I increased it to 25. And then the last few months, it's been 30,000 a month. And my business was making quite a bit, and it lowered and lowered and lowered. Whereas the business is currently making, I need to do the math on this. Stay with me. Don't leave me. I'll just plug in a couple of numbers real quick. I'm not going to say the exact numbers, but this divided by this equals. So we basically dropped by 34% over the last few months. And now here's what I've been doing. You remember where I said I was traveling too much and I want to slow down? It was stressful. I was focusing all of my efforts and thoughts on traveling. And I didn't even know exactly why. Why was I traveling so much? I mean, there's a lot of reasons. I was new to a passport. I want to experience life. I want to experience the world. I want to get out. And my business got into a place where I paid myself fine money, decent money. And also my team was able to handle most of the stuff. So I literally got my eye off of the ball. I got my eye off the ball because I expected it to be like really clockworky, really just set in stone. And I was working like between 4 and 12 hours a week. Usually I had a couple 15-hour weeks, but for the most part, I try really hard to not work because my team is able to handle most of the stuff. The point is, not literally. It's so funny that we use the word literally when it's not literal. Because I was going to say I literally got my eye off the ball, but there was no ball. There was a figurative ball. So figuratively, my eye went off the ball.